Hi, today we are going to prepare a very healthy and tasty savory oatmeal. You might have prepared your oatmeal many times, but we are going to the next level and preparing this for you. This dish is not only healthy but also so tasty. So let's start. At the very beginning, we are going to soft boil 2 eggs. We are going to use 6 minutes for this. Now let's jump into the ingredients. We are gonna use oat half cup, and then green onion 1/4 cup and mushroom half cup. Then we are also gonna use garlic half teaspoon and onion 1 teaspoon. We are also gonna use some green chilies, and finally we are also using spinach around 1 cup. And don't forget, this is the most important ingredients. So we are going to use chili oil. That is going to give an extra boost to the taste of this dish. First and foremost, we are going to make our fryer hot using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we are mixing our onions and garlic and chili. When the onion starts becoming red, then we are going to use mushroom. You have to stir them always whenever you find any opportunity. Stirring is the key here. After around 2 minutes of frying, we are going to use oat. After mixing the oats, you need to fry again for another 1 to 2 minutes. You can see here, we are always stirring. This is very important. Then we are going to use the vegetable stock. You can use any stock if you have. Even you can use warm water as well, depending on your taste. Okay, now followed by green spinach, and a sprinkle of black pepper. You can also apply here. Keep stirring. Cook them for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we are going to use our chili oil. This is very important. This chili oil boosts the taste of this dish. As I told you before, after mixing this chili oil, we are gonna cook another 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Finally, we are going to mix our green onions. That is gonna give a extra sweetness to the dish and will make even more tastier. And that's all. Our dish is ready to serve. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and also make sure you are going to give us your feedback by putting the comments and let us know how you feel this dish, how you taste your dish. You can see here we are serving the dish, and finally we are also going to use our soft boiled egg just to make it more tastier, more attractive. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.